I've been loving this passion fruit smoothie lately. Like, I've literally been drinking it every single day. And in the winter months, I really try to prioritize, taking care of my immunity and making sure I don't get sick, especially lately with all that's been going on. So the tropical fruits in this blend are super good for, building your immunity and just, maintaining your health during the winter months. So I recommend you screenshot this recipe and try it out for yourself. I seen a reels and it was a girl making vegan dirty rice. And I was like, oh no, I have to make some vegan dirty rice. Like, I grew up eating that. And it's one of those dishes that I kind of like forgot about since going vegan. But when I was reminded of it, like, I had to. And I seen a vegan content creator also here on YouTube who tried out the neat meat. So that's basically a bean mixture that mimics ground beef when you cook it. And I just really wanted to try that out and see what it was hitting for. I like to, have options and know what my options are as a vegan when it comes to eating plant-based and, relatively clean. I mixed the mock vegan ground beef with some bell peppers, onion, garlic, some wild rice, brown rice, and I put some sage in there, some onion powder, some Old Bay, and I also cooked the rice in some veggie broth just to add a little bit more flavor. You want this to be like a flavorful dish if you ever get around to making it. But yeah, it was really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, it will probably taste even better with some vegan sausage, but y'all know that I'm gluten free, so I can't have vegan sausage. The vegan sausage that I used to enjoy, the field roast. But yeah, overall, honestly, I give it like a 9 out of 10. It was really good. I always have oatmeal in my cabinet just for the simple fact that my boyfriend loves oatmeal. So on a day where I have nothing else left to eat, or I'm like out of frozen fruit, I'm out of all my other options, I'll just make some oatmeal for the both of us. So I put 3 packets of these gluten-free oatmeal blends. It's like buckwheat, coconut, and I think there's chia seeds in there. But it's like a superfood oatmeal blend. And yeah, I made this with some homemade cashew milk and some agave nectar, and it was super creamy, sweet, the perfect breakfast on a cold morning. I opened up my blinds. That's why it went from dark to light. But yeah, I made it with water, and then I just topped it with some homemade cashew milk, and yeah. Recently, my best friend was on a raw vegan kick, so she kind of inspired me to make a raw meal myself. I think that it's super important that everybody just have a salad every once in a while. You know what I mean? Have something raw. You don't always have to constantly flood your body with these cooked heavy meals. It's always nice to, have something a little bit more gentle, a little bit more light, healthy. So I sliced up some zucchini. I made some mushroom meat with mushrooms, walnuts, and some seasonings. I'll put the recipe in the description box. I made a raw marinara sauce with raw onion, raw garlic, raw tomatoes, blended that up in my NutriBullet. And then I also made a cashew cheese with raw cashews, garlic, some Italian herbs, and I also threw some spinach in that raw lasagna. And I kind of let it sit in the fridge for a day, and it just all soaked up together, all the juices. Rather than cooking it, kind of just let it sit in the fridge and marinate together. And I promise you, like, the next day, it's the best thing ever. Like, literally, this filled me up. I felt so light and healthy after. It wasn't one of those, like, heavy meals. And I had a good amount. I had more than what I have here, like, pictured. But yeah, it was super good. So I recommend you guys trying out a raw lasagna if you have never tried it before. Lastly, I love a good fall salad. It's something about like the sweet, savory vinaigrette. I love like apples and like pecans in my salad. Like, I'm one of those kind of like girls. So I threw together some chopped spring mix. Salad is always better when you chop your greens. Like, yeah, that's a major key if you're trying to get on your salad kick. I made my own vinaigrette with agave nectar, cayenne pepper, avocado oil, red wine vinegar, like sea salt, garlic powder, and then some dried Italian herbs. And then I topped the salad with some cranberries, almonds, red onion, and fire. I also paired this with some chickpea pasta, and then a vegan pesto that I found at Whole Foods. I'll link it in the description. And also some frozen vegetables. And yeah, that's what I've been eating lately. I just wanted to make a quick little video because I have like so much footage of everything that I eat, and I just wanted to compile it and like get it out to y'all. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.